आँखों से छू लूं के बाहें तरसती हैं, दिल ने पुकारा है हाँ अब तो चले आ।
So guys, good evening, welcome to Marina Reke. And so in today's vlog me and chief officer are going for the inspection for dewatering system. And as we are new for this ship, so we need to check where is the location of the bow thruster and where is the location of emergency fire pump in forward part. So you can see that the last crane number 1. After that you are seeing that there is one barrier. So after that there is a forward station, and below that there is a 4-peak tank void space, and we will go inside the tank below around 10 to 15 meter. Sorry, not 10 to 15 meter, we will go around 7.8 meter, and we will check the bow thruster, where is the location of the bow thruster, and we will also check the fire pump location and how from which position it is going up to the forward part to the bosun store. And also we will check the location of the bilges for dewatering system. As I need to tell you what is dewatering system. Dewatering system means when suppose there is any incident in the forward part, suppose the forward part some ship collide, or there will be any hole near to the bottom tank, so slowly water will come up and fill in that inside the tank. So our ship will be head by down, from forward our ship will be head by down like this, and stern will be up, means you can see this stern will be up and ship will be head down. So if water is coming by more pressure, so we can pump it out through the discharge valve, and we have a panel over in ship office. Maybe I will show you the video in ship of maybe I will make a video for ship office from where we can control the dewatering system. If suppose the control panel is not working, so we can go manually and pump out the water from this bosun store, because we have a discharge valve over there, and when we will switch on this fire pump, so the amount of pressure will be generated on the fire line, and this line will be connected to the what we say eductor, and eductor will suck out the, means it will create a negative impact, means negative pressure on the other lines. The water will be come out from the respective villages, so we can easily discharge the water. As we will try to find out the location where is the hole or from where the water is coming, so we can try it out our dewatering system to pump out to the shore. Hello guys, so we are here for the forward store. Me and chief officer came to do the inspection of dewatering system. So I will show you the coffer dam. This is the route we need to go down for the inspection, and we have a coffer dam over here and wide space. So let's go. So you can see that I came from there to down. It is already a straight ladder, and this is the wide space. I will open my light. Wait a minute. Okay, you can see now one more wide space inside this. I think this is for 4-peak tank. So you can see this brackets. If you need to climb up, you can climb and check other wall details. Oh bye. Okay, this is all space. So we do inspections of this wide space. Right now I think all is good, because it's a new ship, 2020 build, and I got hurt when I was coming down. So these are the small hole, we say manhole. As I can go inside this, you see this Mustang. So unfortunately, if there is a collision or something, water coming inside from the forward part, so first of all the water will come here, and there are some sensors for open and sir, you are coming up? I am coming down, sir. Wait a minute. So I came more down to inspect this wide space. I think that is the emergency fire pump for bow thruster and other functioning part, other function for dewatering. We can use this pump. One person need to come down, and minimum 6.5 meters should be our draft. then only this fire pump will run, because right now the water is here. I am as you can see this, I am already inside the ocean. Sir, right now we are already inside the ocean, na? We are already inside the ocean. Huh?
Yeah.
Because our draft is 7.2 and we came near more 7.2, because for this emergency fire pump they need to start for 6.5 meter draft. This is the operating manual. If we need to run this emergency fire pump, we need to start this. This is the bow thruster. Means what is bow thruster? Bow thruster, when we are going for berthing, our ship needs power to turn more to more port side or starboard side. So this bow thruster create a force and allow force to move our ship in whenever weather direction in which we need to give the direction of the ship. Means जहाँ पर हम लोगों को डायरेक्शन देना है जहाज को शिफ्ट करने के लिए, उस जगह पर हम बाउ थ्रस्टर का यूज़ करते हैं. मेनली मैंने देखा है कि कैप्टन्स इसको पोर्ट पर यूज़ करते हैं, और अदर डिटेल इज़ दैट दे कैन यू ऑल्सो यूज़ इन emergency. So I came to the lowest part of this ship. Maybe there can be a PSC inspection or class surveyor inspection, so he will check thoroughly from forward to aft. So that's why me and chief officer came down to check that all is well or not. We have inspected the bow thruster place. Now chief mate is coming up. So I will show you whether it's PSC spot. So we gone down to check the lines. These all, one part of these lines is inserted in the bilge mouth, and you can see that red hydrant. It is connected to the bow thruster, fire pump, which is nearly placed to the bow thruster, where I go in mid of the ocean, blow the water level. So when we open this, so one pressure will be created by the water, and if we need to run and our hydraulic system fails, so we can run this through the emergency fire pump, and the water will be coming here. According to my last ship experience, I am telling you this, nobody told me in this ship. So water will be coming here. So this is the basically eductor ABS. I think all have read Bernoulli theorem in class 12th or 11th. So all Bernoulli theorem and the eductor study applied over here. These are the bilge mouth. This is the valve which we need to operate to pump out these bilges. Like this, we have 4 or 5 bilges in the forward part. So whatever the water will be inside this is going too deep. Whatever be the water will be there, we run the emergency fire pump according to by the pressure of water. The negative suction will be created. So after when the negative suction will be created, the water will be coming out from here. See, in this line, and here is the water. Only the air is sucking up. Only the water is running like this, and air is sucking in this direction. Air is sucking the water, so that it is creating a negative pressure, or we can say a negative suction. So after creating a negative suction, this line will be connected to this and flow with the flow of this water, and water will be overboard. And these two pumps we need to open if we have water inside the bilges. So it will also create a negative suction, and water will go from there. Same like these two valve will be operating. So you have understand the dewatering system, how it works. We are doing an inspection because class surveyors are coming, internal surveyors are coming to inspect the ships. So right now chief officer is new and his precision time is going on. Even me also new, only 2 months finish, and my precision time is going on, and we are going a thorough inspection. We are doing from ourselves a thorough inspection before the surveyor will come. And recently, after checking the cargo hold, chief mate will go to the crane with me. I will go with chief mate to inspect the cranes. Okay, so I will show you how are the ship's crane and where is the panel function, where is the control panel, how the crane operator operates the crane. Okay guys, I will meet you soon. Already completed crane number 1 inspection. You can see this 2 high crane. Already I climb up, me and chief officer, and went for the inspection. Now these 2 crane are remaining. You can see these 2 crane. Yes, before service we need to complete this. Yes sir. So, sir, are you tired?
Right.
Very much?
Yes.
You like this ship? Very good, new ship. So last time we have loaded less cargo because this shore people have taken too much time in Chittagong, Bangladesh. I don't like this place, very dirty. But one reason to like cargo operation is very slow, so we get 5 to 6 days to use internet, our SIM cards. Hope you will like this video. This video is all about the deck inspection we have done. Me and chief mate gone throughout from forward to aft. First we went for forward. We have checked the dewatering system. It is in okay condition or satisfactory condition or not. So right now we all find good, even after checking out the what we say, dewatering system and this bath thruster pump, and gone inside the this void spaces, and we have checked the lines also for discharging or overboard this water which will be stored in the bilges. And I thanks to chief mate that he gave me the opportunity so to make this video. And recently is checking the oil ship, this what is it, SOPEP manual. So according to the SOPEP manual we should have an inventory, and ISP for ISPS and for this external and internal surveyor it is mandatory that the inventory should be placed in the SOPEP. And after that we have also done the inspection of crane 1, 2, 3, all fine good and in working condition. So I will meet you soon. Please like it, subscribe and share it. Bye bye.
आँखों से छू लूं के बाहें तरसती हैं, दिल ने पुकारा है हाँ, अब तो चले आ।